Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So as you may have already known, spooky season is upon us again. I know, right? Where did this year go? It seriously feels like it flew right by. Can't believe it's almost the end of the year again. Truth be told, I do have a confession to make. I may have started listening to Christmas music already, like even before this time. And Kelly Clarkson recently released a ton of new Christmas songs, which makes me so excited, and it definitely quenches my thirst for holiday music. Let me know if you guys are the same type of weird and you start listening and maybe decorating way too early.
Okay, you're weird.
But anyways, I wanted to share with you guys a fun and rather simple Halloween costume I came up with. So if you guys want to see me transform from this to this, yeah, this is a simple, it's really pretty easy. If there's one thing you should know about me, I'm a firm believer in being resourceful whenever you can. I do believe a lot of times you have a lot of the parts and pieces to create a costume already in your home. So I like making use of what I have already. And I also created this look using my new favorite Too Faced Clover Palette. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this fun, easy, simple, whimsical type look. So if you want to see how I created this unicorn inspired Halloween makeup look, then stick around and watch this tutorial. So the first step you want to do is you want to go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. And the next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some tape at an angle to both sides of the eyes, just to keep all the lines rather sharp. Today, I am actually going to be using my Too Faced Clover Palette. I talked about it in my last video, which was the Fall Sultry Smoky Eye. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. But I did buy this palette on discount. It was pretty heavily discounted. I'm very much a bargain hunter. And I mentioned that I really love these colors. They're so diverse and yeah, multi-purpose. So I'm going to first start off by applying all over my lids, Love is Love. And I feel like you can really go ham with like all the colors that I'm going to be putting on and you're going to be putting on for Halloween, because I feel like the great thing about Halloween is it's very much just about like exaggeration and deviating from your normal appearance. So anything pretty much goes. I mean, at the end of the day, you do want the makeup to still look like crisp and clean, but I feel like you don't necessarily have to worry about like sticking to regular colors, like coloring within the lines. You can really push your boundaries. So I think that's the fun part about Halloween. So after that, I am going to go in with this super pretty metallic aqua shade called Spoiled, and I'm going to concentrate that from the inner corners to the half of the lid, and it's going to be kind of like a cut crease, I guess, but immediately is super pretty and it gives off this already like whimsical shade or whimsical feeling, which is what I mean. Okay, and for the other half of the lid, I am going to go in with Daddy Loves Me, and yeah, just going to smoke it out and go ham. I also want to try and go in with a bit of TF Mascot. I'm curious what that's going to do. Oh, that's also really pretty. And I think rather appropriate for this unicorn makeup look. And I'm going to go ahead and take this side of the brush for some more precision. And I'm going to sweep some of TF Mascot over like where the cut crease or where the eye socket sinks in a bit. I have this Crystal Whips also from Too Faced, and it's kind of this a little bit holographic type look, and it's really shimmery. I'm just going to layer it on top of the glue because I think it's really going to make it pop. I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. I am going to go ahead and go in with Spoiled, maybe Best Friend, that's also a really pretty holographic shade, and some of the pinks, and just shade the lower lash line to create more congruency. Okay, and I'm also going to go ahead and highlight the inner corners with Cuteness Overload as well as the brow bone. Can't neglect that. I'm going to go ahead and further define my lower lash line using my MAC eye pencil in Teddy. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and draw a kitten wing, or fully extend it a little bit more because, as I mentioned, it is Halloween. I want to make it look slightly more dramatic than usual. Then after, I'm going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite, which is the Ardell Natural Lashes. I think they just, I don't know, I think they just fit my eye shape the best. I'm going to go in with my Lancome Monsieur Big and Waterproof and coat the lower lash line. Next up, I do have some body gems. I'm going to go ahead and apply some just for an exaggerated whimsical look. After that, I'm going to go ahead and dust on some blush. So today I'm actually going to be going in with my Too Faced Clover Palette, and I am going to go in with Love is Love, and then I kind of want a more exaggerated like fluorescent blush to go with this look. And just for some added drama, I'm actually going to go in with my Too Faced Clover Palette. I'm going to go in with that Best Friend shade, which is like the holographic, and I just want to dust some of that on the apples of the cheeks. It has like this holographic blue type sheen to it. And also, I'm going to take my Stila Glitter and Glow and King Karma. I'm just going to apply some of it to the lower lash line for some glitter. This look is all about glitter, sparkle, and fluorescent shades. for the lips today, I'm actually going to go in with Too Faced Mean Girls. It's like this bright pink shade just to go along with this whole exaggerated look. And then, after I'm done applying the lips, let me make the final transformation. I'll be right back. Voila, I'm back. And yeah, this finishes off my unicorn Halloween makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'd love to hear what you guys are up to for Halloween. Stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.